this video, I will show you how to join a Zoom meeting without making any mistakes. Let me show you how. If you are using Zoom app for the first time and you are using Android phone, go ahead and make sure you open up your Play Store on your Android phone. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store, then go ahead and click on search. Then proceed to search app and game and type in Zoom. Then go ahead and hit enter. So here you go. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. So all you have to do here is to make sure you install Zoom Workspace. After a successful installation, simply go ahead and click on open. Just like so. For you to join a meeting, you do not need to create an account with Zoom before you can join any meeting on Zoom. You just need an invited code sent to you by the organizer of a particular meeting on Zoom. So for you to join any meeting, all you have to do is to simply go ahead and click on join a meeting right here. And it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and enter meeting ID right here. So for instance, if my meeting ID is something like this, just like so, once you enter the meeting ID, join option, don't connect to audio. Turn off my video. If you don't want people in the meeting to see your face, you can easily turn on this particular toggle button. Once you turn it on, whenever you join the meeting, they won't be able to see your face in the meeting. Lastly, go ahead and click on join right here and you are done. You will connect to Zoom meeting. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use Zoom app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.